The Galaxy S25 series is gearing up to redefine the smartphone industry with groundbreaking AI innovations that even Apple might struggle to match. With leaks and rumors swirling, let's explore the hidden secrets of Samsung's highly anticipated flagship lineup. If you've been following the Galaxy S25 leaks, you've likely heard about the One UI 7 Beta 3 making waves online. However, the real excitement lies in the Galaxy S25's unprecedented AI advancements. Renowned leaker Ice Universe has hinted that Samsung is keeping its most impressive AI features under wraps until the official launch on January 22, 2025. According to Ice Universe, Samsung's approach could leave Apple scrambling to catch up. He even boldly stated Samsung Galaxy S25 will tell Apple what leading AI is. This rivalry between Samsung and Apple seemed to have ignited a new level of competition. With the integration of One UI 7 and Galaxy AI, Samsung is set to redefine what cutting-edge AI means for smartphones. The secrecy surrounding these innovations highlights the high stakes in this battle for AI supremacy. Ice Universe, known for his reliable Samsung insights, has expressed surprise at the company's ability to maintain confidentiality around these features. Samsung's Unpacked event, just weeks away, is expected to showcase not only new hardware, but also groundbreaking AI capabilities that can steal the spotlight. One of the standout models in the lineup is the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Recent renders by Tecmo Concept have given us a glimpse of the Ultra's design, featuring four striking colors: titanium silver blue, titanium white silver, titanium black, and titanium gray. However, a small hiccup occurred when the titanium silver blue shade appeared darker than expected in the initial renders. Ice Universe quickly called out the error on social media, prompting Tecmo Concept to release updated renders that more accurately reflect the color options. In addition to the standard colors, Samsung plans to offer exclusive online shades, such as titanium white silver and titanium gray. While the design hasn't seen a massive overhaul, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's slightly rounded corners give it a softer and more refined aesthetic compared to its predecessors. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The device recently appeared on Geekbench, showcasing a single-core score of 3,492 and a multi-core score of 9,793. While these numbers are impressive, they fall short of breaking the coveted 10,000 mark in multi-core performance. The overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite features a 6-core cluster, clocked at 3.53 GHz, and a 2-core cluster, overclocked to 4.47 GHz. Despite the modest overclock, it hasn't yet delivered the performance leap many were expecting. It's worth noting that the tested device in this benchmark had 12 GB of RAM, while Samsung is rumored to offer a 16 GB variant, which might slightly improve performance. However, these scores likely reflect an early version of the device, as Samsung continues to optimize the chipset ahead of the launch. Dominance in the premium smartphone market. Enhanced AI capabilities, refined designs, and upgraded specifications are set to make these devices stand out. However, political instability in Korea and rising exchange rates might lead to higher prices for the S25 series. Samsung's strategy to withhold key AI details until the official launch appears to be paying off, as the anticipation is palpable. With innovative features like advanced AI integration, refined aesthetics, and potentially life-saving technology, the Galaxy S25 series could set a new benchmark in the smartphone industry. Mark your calendars for January 22, 2025, as Samsung prepares to unveil its next big thing. In the smartphone world, Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both of these phones push the boundaries of mobile technology, offering cutting-edge features and exceptional performance. But which one takes the crown as the best big phone of 2024? Let's dive in and compare them side by side. Design. Starting with the design, both phones have distinct looks that reflect their brand identities. The iPhone 16 Pro Max stays true to Apple's iconic rectangular shape with flat sides and soft corners. This year, it features an even slimmer bezel, allowing for a larger 6.9-inch display. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, keeps its sleek, curved edges and integrates the ever-popular S Pen, a feature unique to Samsung's Ultra series. Size-wise, the differences are minimal. The iPhone 16 Pro Max measures 163mm at 77.6mm, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra is slightly shorter, but a bit wider at 162.3mm at 79mm. That extra width allows room for the S Pen, which gives Samsung an edge in productivity. Apple, however, introduces something new this year: the camera control button, a capacitive touch key that allows for zooming and other camera controls with a swipe. When it comes to color options, Apple sticks with its sophisticated muted tones: white, black, natural, and the new Desert Titanium. Samsung goes for more variety with options like titanium violet and yellow. And for those ordering through Samsung's website, you get access to exclusive colors like titanium blue and green. Display. Now, onto the display. Both phones deliver top-tier screen technology. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a 6.9-inch OLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. As with the iPhone 15 Pro series, you also get the always-on display feature, which lowers the refresh rate to just 1 Hz when the phone is idle. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't far behind with its stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display that also supports 120Hz refresh rates and an always-on feature. One advantage Samsung brings is an anti-reflective coating, making outdoor visibility much easier in bright sunlight, something the iPhone lacks. Both displays are breathtakingly vibrant, but there are subtle differences in color. The iPhone 16 Pro Max tends to lean towards warmer yellowish tones, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a cooler, more tealish hue. A standout feature for the iPhone 16 Pro Max is its ability to drop its brightness to just 1 nit for easier nighttime viewing, great for late-night scrolling. Performance. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by Apple's latest A18 Pro chip, built on a second-generation 3nm process. This makes it incredibly efficient, with significant improvements in heat dissipation and sustained performance compared to its predecessor, the A17 Pro chip. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra is no slouch either. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, custom-tuned for Galaxy devices. While the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performs well, especially in gaming and graphics-intensive tasks, it tends to throttle a bit sooner than Apple's A18 Pro under extreme stress. In benchmark tests, the iPhone 16 Pro Max leads in CPU performance, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra takes the edge in 3D graphics, scoring slightly higher in peak performance. However, Apple's new chip excels in long-term sustained performance, so if you're planning on pushing your phone to its limits, the iPhone may have a slight edge. Camera next. Let's discuss one of the most critical aspects of any flagship phone, the cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 48-megapixel main sensor paired with a new 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Apple has also introduced a new lens coating to minimize lens flare, addressing a common complaint in previous models. On the flip side, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra brings its camera game with a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel zoom lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Samsung has packed in more megapixels, but remember, megapixels aren't everything. The iPhone tends to produce more natural-looking photos, whereas the Galaxy S24 Ultra sometimes leans into oversaturation, delivering more vibrant images. In low-light photography, both phones perform exceptionally well, but Samsung's larger sensor can capture more detail in some scenarios. For video, the iPhone takes the crown with its 4K recording at 120 frames per second, ideal for capturing stunning slow-motion footage. While Samsung's camera app offers tons of customization, Apple's new camera control button provides a more intuitive experience for videographers. Battery life and charging. In terms of battery life, the iPhone 16 Pro Max packs a 4,685 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra edges it out with a 5,000 mAh battery. Both phones are more than capable of lasting through a day of heavy use, but Samsung's slightly larger battery may give it a slight advantage. When it comes to charging, Samsung takes the lead. The Galaxy S24 Ultra supports 45-watt wired charging compared to the iPhone's 20-watt charging speed. Samsung also has reverse wireless charging, which allows you to charge other devices like earbuds on the back of your phone, something Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max doesn't offer. Software. Lastly, let's compare software. Both iOS and One UI are polished, mature operating systems, but they offer different user experiences. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a fantastic choice. But if you're looking for more customization options, better charging speeds, and love the idea of an S Pen, Galaxy S24 Ultra might be the perfect phone for you. Ultimately, both of these phones are top-tier devices with a ton to offer. Whichever one you choose, you're getting a powerful, feature-packed smartphone that will keep you ahead of the curve in 2024.